Hi, my name is Karen Thomas, and I want to thank you for taking a few minutes to watch my video. I am 65 years old and I have no health issues. Why? Because I've been taking supplements for over 40 years. This is important information because so many people nowadays, when they are getting into their 40s, are now feeling really bad and not really living the life that they want to live. Diabetes is now rampant in our society. Over 1.5 million cases, new cases of diabetes is diagnosed every year. Stopping diabetes is part of my mission now. Diabetes runs rampant in my family. Everybody in my family, except for my daughters, is diabetic. My mom was diagnosed diabetic in her 70s. Now, my mom is going to be 91 her next birthday. And I'd like to tell you, because I don't have any health issues, the power of nutrition. See, I have her taking a total health bundle that I've been taking for the last 5 years. When she had her echocardiogram done last year, her cardiologist told her that her echo looked healthier than when he did it in 2019. How does that happen? Well, see, God made our bodies to heal themselves. When our bodies have the regular nutrition of vitamins, minerals, enzymes, herbs, all kinds of things that we used to eat way back hundreds of years ago, our bodies healed themselves all the time. And now the drug companies want you to believe that they have a pill for everything. The problem is that it also has so many side effects, but nature has all the answers. In fact, I talked to a pharmacist and he told me that a third to a half of all of the prescriptions are plant-based. Nature is the answer. Being able to afford quality pharmaceutical grade supplements and quality products that actually enhance your life is almost a necessity in today's society. Because as we now know, viruses can take out our whole way of living in a heartbeat. And viruses come and go all the time. There'll be more down the road. You have to have your health bolstered in a way that you will not be a victim. Now, I want you to know 3 things you can do today to start putting your health together for your freedom years after the kids are gone. So you can chase the grandbabies, you can chase the grandbabies, okay, that you can be dancing with vitality and energy and disease-free all the way through your freedom years, because you have more freedom years after the kids are grown than you had all of the other years growing up and raising children. You want to be able to have health and vitality in those years and do whatever you want to do. So you need to be taking fiber. Now, I have a fabulous fiber drink that I love, or you can eat fiber bars. Fiber, soluble and insoluble, is fabulous for keeping your digestive system cleaned out and functioning properly. Because if your digestive system isn't functioning properly, you won't be able to absorb and get the nutrition to help heal your body. You need to have a good probiotic, omega, and multivitamin. But the most important thing that you need is vitamin D. The number one thing that every cancer patient has in common is a deficiency in vitamin D. And having vitamin D over 4,000 units every day because we're not outside anymore. We don't get the sunshine like we did 100 years ago. Our bodies were designed to get vitamin D from the sun, but most of us don't even hardly get sunshine when we're getting from one place to another. So vitamin D is a major source of health and nutrition to heal your body. Now, where you shop is important. I love where I get my supplements, where I get all of the natural products without any harsh chemicals, and I'd like to show that to you. If that would be of interest, then stay tuned.
So, you've heard about our Wellness Shopping Club and our world-class wellness products, and you want to know how to get some for yourself. Shopping at melaleuca.com, it's easy, and you'll love the convenience of having products delivered right to your door. First, I'll explain how the Wellness Shopping Club works, and then you can set up your own account and start shopping today. Melaleuca is a wellness company. In fact, we are the wellness company. Based in the US, we're the largest monthly shopping club in North America. We take our inspiration from nature and create products that are proven by science to be more effective, safer, and, well, just plain better. Better for you and for the world you live in. Not only do we develop the products, we also offer them through our online store. Our customers shop directly from our factory on a monthly basis. The way our shopping club works allows us to offer these products at reasonable prices. High-quality natural ingredients cost a lot more than synthetic alternatives. That's why most companies use synthetics. But Melaleuca is able to offer natural-based, high-performing products at affordable prices because of the unique partnership we have with our club members. Our members agree to shop with us on a monthly basis, and that allows us to accurately predict demand and take advantage of discounts on expensive, natural ingredients, producing better products at a lower cost. And since Melaleuca's products aren't sold in stores, we don't need to pay for shelf space, middlemen, or expensive advertising. That allows us to pass those savings on to our loyal customers with discounts of 30 to 50%. Melaleuca's membership gives you a value you can't find anywhere else. And it doesn't add any expense to your budget. It's the same money you're already spending, just spent smarter. And you can cancel your membership anytime. So how does membership work? You become a member for an annual fee of only $19. That's far less than a membership at Sam's or Costco. Every product is assigned a product point value. Every month, you'll shop for at least 35 product points. An average 35-point order is about 5 to 10 products. Thanks to the 30 to 50% discount, a typical order will cost about $60 to $75. And with more than 400 products to choose from, most customers order well beyond 35 product points. Best of all, these are household items you already use. There's no need to find extra money in your budget. You're just switching stores and spending the same money to get healthier, safer, better products delivered to your front door. With your membership, you're not just getting amazing products. You're also getting extensive research, clinical tests, and cutting-edge science. Real solutions to support heart health, joint health, and healthy weight control. A healthier home without using all those caustic cleaning chemicals that have been recently linked to lung damage. A cleaner environment thanks to biodegradable, environment-friendly ingredients and highly concentrated formulas that reduce plastic waste and fuel emissions. Confidence that the daily products you use, from laundry detergent to lotion, are better for you and for the environment. And great prices on products that can truly enhance your health and your life. Oh, and there are a few things you won't get. Harmful ingredients, like chlorine bleach, parabens, or formaldehyde. Cheap synthetic alternatives, fillers, or excess water. We want you to know about the high-quality ingredients we use and how our products stack up against the competition. So Melaleuca will pay you generously to learn about our products by watching short videos each month. In fact, you can earn up to $100 in free products in the first 5 months, just for learning some pretty interesting facts about our products. When you set up your own account, you're encouraged to pre-select products you know you'll need if you ever forget to order. Essentials like toothpaste, healthy snacks, and shampoo. This acts like a backup order. If you have one of those months and you forget to place your order, Melaleuca will ship you your selected favorites and charge the method of payment you have on file. If you don't pre-select your go-to favorites, we'll send you our most popular products that you'll love trying. Either way, you'll still get your must-have Melaleuca products every month, even if you forget to order. But that's only as a backup. Usually, you will place your monthly order online and choose just the product you need that month. Melaleuca saves money by being both the manufacturer and the store, and by shipping products directly to our customers. We rely completely on word-of-mouth referrals to find new customers. In fact, every customer we have was referred by another customer. So we understand our products have to be the best. And to thank those who recommend our products, we share a portion of our revenue with them in the form of a monthly thank you check. It's just a small percentage, but it can add up. All for sharing a store they love, the same way you'd share a favorite restaurant or a movie you love. So, if healthier, affordable products delivered right to your door sounds like the kind of club you want to be a part of, then you've found a home with Melaleuca. Just like the millions of others who love healthier products, the convenience, and the savings they get each month. There's absolutely no risk. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee on all our products, and you can cancel your membership anytime. So, that's it. It's simple. Now you know how the Wellness Shopping Club works. It's all about providing higher quality, healthier wellness products for ourselves and our family.